Murders fall as COVID-19 rises.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Murders in the first 74 days of the year have plunged to a smidgen, over 2% higher than they were in 2019. Coming from a high of 10% just 3 weeks ago, a downward trend which coincides with the emergence of COVID-19 in Jamaica. Up to the 14th of March, 278 murders were recorded. This according to official police statistics. This compares to 272 for the corresponding period in 2019. The division with the most murders is St. Andrew South with 33, followed by St. Andrew North with 28. St. Andrew South is one of 8 police divisions where states of emergency have been imposed to halt the spike in murders. Jamaica's first novel coronavirus infection was confirmed on the 10th of March by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. For 24 hours starting 4:45 a.m. on Wednesday, the 11th of March, no murders were reported. However, days later, there were reports of 8 murders across the country in a 24-hour span. Other serious crimes such as shootings, rape, aggravated assault, robbery, break-ins and larceny are also down when compared to the similar period in 2019. It is being said in several quarters of the society that the COVID-19 has even the violence producers on edge as the global pandemic unfolds. 3 weeks ago, for the period January 1 to February 22nd, murders stood at 198, compared to 180 for the corresponding period last year, a 10% increase. There have so far been 13 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in Jamaica.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.